Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a published site on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, just go to the site that you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for the site to load, and then once here, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. In the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and give it a click, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically Wix website editor. So once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. And here, if you go to the top right, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to save your site. Here you can preview it, and here you're going to find publish. So basically guys, if your site is already published, you need to unpublish it before you delete it. So in order to unpublish it, just go here to the publish option, hover your mouse over publish, and then here you're going to find the option to publish your site, and otherwise you're going to find the option to view site, view mobile site, and unpublish the site. So go ahead and click on unpublish site, and then once you do that, you're going to be taken here to the settings, click on unpublish, and then click on unpublish right here. And then once you do that, just go back to the home page, and then you're going to be able to delete your site. So once here, just click on site actions, and then you're going to be able to move your site to the trash. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.